big up all the viewers them and big up all the subscribers them. And you don't know so Jamaica Extra we out here, right? So you don't know, I take a few weeks off, if not a month, really. And me there for go to Jamaica, spend some time with my family and a few of my friends them. And you don't know when me dey out there, me did I record certain things and I make sure say me can share it later for so me I say. So big up on yourself and like me say, me I go come back now and deal with some new video and thing. So when I go have new videos coming your way very soon. But on top of that, I want to share just a clip with 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 something when I encounter when I go Jamaica, right? I may have some stories coming too because and everything is all good. Some may some of the stories I may have probably me not too like chat, but definitely me just need some improvement on certain things I may say I yard. But you don't know a country and we love it. But check out that video and tell me what you think. Remember to like and subscribe. Watch it now.